Looking for reliable garage door installation right here in the Phoenix, Arizona area? Our team of certified technicians provides professional garage door replacement and installation services designed for long-lasting performance, safety, and curb appeal. We handle every step, from helping you choose the perfect style and material to precision installation, opener setup, and final safety testing. Whether you need a new garage door installation for a home upgrade or a garage door replacement after years of wear, we make the process smooth, efficient, and affordable. Our services includes accurate measurement and expert alignment, installation of springs, tracks, and weather seals, opener and remote setup, full system testing for quiet, balanced operation, and removal and disposal of your old door. We install all major types and brands, including steel, wood, aluminum, insulated, and carriage-style garage doors. Every installation is backed by a strong workmanship guarantee and manufacturer warranty, so your home stays secure, energy efficient, and beautiful. Choose the trusted and affordable garage door installation company near you that delivers quality, safety, and value with every job. Get your free estimate today and experience the difference professional installation makes.
The Garage Door Professors at Affordable Garage Door Repair and Replacement are here to answer your questions and to offer you options to meet your needs and desires. We're always here for you. Just call us. There is no cost or obligation. Call us today.